Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, our story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about courage, like a lion. So as always, take out your lesson plans and follow along. Our first song is You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. Here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, let's go again. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, awesome. So our next song that's on theme is called Lions Need a Song. And it's to the tune of Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. So if you know the tune, make sure that you sing along. Lions are so brave and strong, brave and strong, brave and strong. Lions are so brave and strong, but sometimes they need a song to make them growl and roar, growl and roar, growl and roar. A song to make them growl and roar and get ready to fight some more. Okay, let's go again. Make sure that you roar really loud, okay? Lions are so brave and strong, brave and strong, brave and strong. Lions are so brave and strong, but sometimes they need a song to make them growl and roar, growl and roar, growl and roar. A song to make them growl and roar and get ready to fight some more. Okay, awesome. So our first story is called Shy. And when you think of courage, isn't being shy kind of the opposite? I was a really shy little girl, and I'm sure a lot of people out there are shy too. But when you're shy and you overcome it, that's what makes you courageous. So let's get started. So this book is called Shy by Deborah Freeman. Shy was happiest between the pages of a book. See, there's a little arrow pointing, and Shy's right there, but you can't see him because he's so shy. Shy liked to read about once upon a time and in a land far away by the edge of the sea and stories like that. Shy's favorite books were about birds. Once upon a time, in a land far away by the edge of the sea, there was a bird. Birds the color of jewels, birds who flew faster than the wind, birds who could chirp 1,000 melodies. But Shy had never actually heard a bird. None of his books could sing. Then one day, a real bird trilled by. She was singing a real song. It was beautiful. Shy was enchanted. He longed to meet her. Tweep, tweep, truly. But Shy didn't know how to talk to a bird. What if he stuttered? What if he blushed? What if... Then, just like that, the bird was gone. Truly, Lily. Shy wanted to follow, but he'd never been to a land far away. Still, he hated to lose her, so for the first time ever, Shy left home. That was very brave of him to do so, huh? He made his way over acres and acres. Shy felt like he was walking through one of his books, though it was all far more wondrous than it had ever looked in pictures. Along his way, Shy saw remarkable creatures, and he suddenly heard, could it be, a whole chorus of birds? Was one of them his bird? Shy listened very closely. Cuckoo, truwit, chicka-chee-dee-dee-dee. That's not the right sound, is it? Tweep, tweep, truly. It was the bird. She sparkled, just like the sun and the sea. Shy had never imagined the world was so grand. Perhaps one day he would try to see more. With the bird, Shy thought, he could go anywhere. But, of course, he would have to speak to her first. Shy took a deep breath. His heart thumped. He looked up, but he could no longer find her. The bird was gone. Broken-hearted, Shy went home. He stayed awake until morning, looking at his books. He had been to a land far away. He had seen real birds, birds colored like jewels, birds faster than wind. Shy imagined his books could almost sing. Tweep, tweep, truly. Tweep, tweep, tweep. Wait, the singing was real. But it flew right by and drifted away. True, lee, 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 truly, lee, truly. No, Shy could not bear to lose her again. That's Shy, he's a giraffe. Tweep, tweep, tweep. Look, he's singing to try to get his bird back. And just like that, the bird was back. And just like that, Shy whispered, I'm Shy. The bird blushed. I'm Florence. And then she fluttered to Shy's book, so Shy read to her. Once upon a time, in a land far away by the edge of the sea, there was a bird. More, said Florence. Shy smiled. There was a bird named Florence who found a friend called Shy. Tweep, tweep, true-lee-lee. See, Shy, he was actually a giraffe. He was very courageous, huh? And because he was courageous, he found a friend. Okay, so next we have a poem, and it's called Scared and Brave. So, just like Shy, scared and brave can go together. It's strange, but yet it's true. Think of times that you were scared, but did what you needed to do. Doing things you've never done, facing someone mean and strong, telling when you make mistakes, deciding what was right or wrong. Think of things you were scared to do, or things you were scared to say. Then think about how brave you were to do them anyway. See, just like Shy. He was so shy to meet the bird, but he knew he needed a friend, so he went ahead and said hello. Okay? So our next book is called Lionheart by Richard Collingridge. And see, this book's kind of more on the nose because you don't always think of bravery when you think of shyness, but you sure think of bravery and being courageous when you think about lions, huh? Okay, here we go. There can't be. There's no such thing as monsters. But what was that sound? Richard hugged his Lionheart tightly. Something was there, and Richard was scared, so he ran. He ran and he ran through the streets and over the hills, through the forest and into the fields, but he was being chased. All around him, the grass grew thick and turned into sticks, and the sticks grew tall and turned into trees, and still he was being chased. What do you think is chasing him? So Richard kept running. Oh no, he dropped his Lionheart, his stuffed animal, see? Until he ran into a magical jungle where there were animals all around, some big, some small, some thin, some tall, some mean, some hairy, some fat, some scary. Look at all the different animals. But Richard couldn't stay to look. The monster was coming, so Richard kept running. He ran and he ran until he ran into something or someone. It was Lionheart, but he wasn't a toy anymore. Come with me, his Lionheart said, and Richard went, away from the monster, away from his fears. Together they jumped over the pointing rocks and went under the falling water. They traveled deep, deep, deep into the lost city, where Richard played with the animals. And he was having so much fun that he forgot the monster. He forgot he was scared. But Lionheart hadn't forgotten. He could feel the monster. He could see the monster. It was coming. The animals saw it too, and they were scared. See, isn't that big and scary? Then Richard saw it. But when Richard looked at Lionheart, he knew what to do. He knew how to be brave. His Lionheart had shown him. So together they took a deep breath and started to roar! They roared so loudly that the monster and all of Richard's fears were blown away once and for all. And Richard wasn't afraid of monsters anymore. See, his Lionheart made him brave. Okay, so now we have one last song, and it's called Roar Like a Lion. So just like Lionheart roared. Okay, make sure that you roar along, okay? Lions and tigers, imagine them with me. The very best part is what you will be. So roar like a lion, roar! Come on and roar like a lion, roar! Squeak like a mouse, squeak, squeak, squeak. And roar like a lion, roar! Now that I've heard you loudly roar, I want to see if you can roar some more. So roar like a lion, roar! Come on and roar like a lion, roar! Squeak like a mouse, squeak, squeak, squeak. And roar like a lion, roar! Okay, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this story time and it helps you be a little bit more brave in real life, okay? I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.